Hey, I'm at the Marku and I'm watching a show that's called Resonation by Shrunk. So I hope you like it. I have no idea what it is. Thank you, and a huge shout out to my #1 fan out there. I'm the only one out there. So, I was talking to a cranky old friend the other day. He said, I am not going to end my career stuck in this dump. I will quit before I see my good name ruined by this claptrap theater. The funny thing about my cranky friend is he's already retired. Sheesh. What he needs is a crank adjustment. The doctor is out. That was sad. That was really bad. We hope you enjoyed the show today. We hope you see you again in the future. And yep, I was the only one there. Well, bye. Oh wait, I want to show you something. Whenever you watch one of his things, you can get this little button thing. Sorry for you can't like see it. Okay, well anyway, bye.